On January 1st, 2025, officers from the West Palm Beach Police Department responded to a call from the Hilton Hotel in reference of a disturbance. What you are about to watch is what happened next.
How are you, sir?
Good.
Okay, are you a guest of the hotel?
Yes.
Are you staying here? What room are you staying in?
811.
811? What floor is that?
Last name?
811.
What's the last
811.
name? Last name?
What's your last name? So they can check your reservation.
Why?
To confirm it, to see if you actually stay here.
I know.
Are you joking? Why? Am I in danger?
No,
To
because
the
I guess...
public?
Listen, because I guess based on your behavior, they don't even want you here anymore, okay?
Oh.
Okay, do you understand that? That's why I'm here, all right? So can we remain calm?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
Hold on. No.
That thing in your pocket is not your wallet?
Yeah.
Is your ID not in your wallet?
Here you go.
You don't have your wallet on you?
No.
Okay, what's your first name, sir?
Joseph. Oh my God! What the fuck is
Hey.
going on here?
Her window and her wall.
Joseph,
What
what's
are
your
you
last
guys doing?
Joseph, what's your last name?
Walsh. I'm drunk. I mean, what the
Okay.
What do you expect? I'm sitting here. in
Okay,
a
well,
fucking
if you're drunk,
fucked
you
up.
can still act cordial, all right? What's your date of birth? Joseph, what's your date of birth?
What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? I've been nothing but cordial with you,
Alright,
and you want to give me attitude,
stop.
okay?
Stop.
I'm sure if you were sober...
Excuse me.
Excuse me what? Excuse me what? Listen. I don't need your attitude. You understand me? You're a grown man, just like me. But you're acting like a fucking child, okay? So why don't you act like an adult? Okay? Do you have children? I'm sure they'd be ashamed of you right now. Get your fucking hand out of my face. You have a Florida driver's license. Yes or no?
No.
Where are you from?
Illinois.
He's a,
Yes.
yes. I can't get that thing. What he did was slow his hands on it.
He's talking about?
Kid.
I'm from, hey.
Press charges, apparently. So maybe we need to get a statement from the other guy.
What's going on?
Supposedly he
Put his hands on yes, kids.
put hands on some of the guest kids. Child.
That's crazy. What? Who?
You want to go with
Who
him? I'll
did
stand by.
Yeah.
Who did that?
Supposedly.
I didn't do shit. Are you fucking kidding me?
Why would I lie or kid about something? That's not even funny. Why would I even joke about that?
Because I don't know why. But all I know is you guys can make up whatever you want to fucking make
I don't
up.
have to make up anything. Don't need to.
Oh, really? Why?
Why would I need to make up anything?
Well, then why are you talking about me and fucking doing all kinds of crazy shit?
I'm going by what I've been told.
Yeah, it's bullshit.
Why would someone lie
So
about that?
You just go by whatever you're fucking told, whatever, whenever you're told. You go by whatever you're fucking told, whenever you're told, anytime, at any time.
You you guys had an issue with this guy over here?
Yeah, we were at the pool, but he came to the front desk to check something, and he was verbally assaulting.
What do you say to you, bud?
A bunch of like bad words, and it wasn't really like was trying to like say that I was like fat or something.
So you're just being saying
Yeah.
rude and mean.
Yeah.
Did he touch you or anything?
No.
No.
Because they tried to like get him with me.
Did he ever touch you?
No.
No.
But he was trying to touch you?
Yeah.
And they,
And they tried.
when I say touch you, like grab you?
Yeah. He was like trying to, but they pushed him away.
Okay. Like, did he walk towards you or run towards you?
He walked towards me.
He just walked towards you?
Yeah.
Okay. Were you there?
No, I was at the pool.
Okay.
What did I call you?
He called me like bitch and all these bad words.
Okay.
So just verbally, just saying.
So just saying bad stuff to you, not like I'm gonna like
He didn't threaten you or anything?
No.
he didn't say I'm gonna hurt you, I'm gonna kill you or anything like that.
No.
Okay. Just being
Yeah.
not acting like like an adult should. Okay. Are you guys guests here?
Yeah.
What's that?
Stop being such a
15?
fucking hard ass.
No, not a 15, but definitely a prick.
Ah,
Yeah.
Jesus.
All right. You're no longer a guest of this hotel, so who's staying with you here? Are you in the hotel by yourself?
Are you gonna stay in the same bed?
No.
Listen,
I don't want to be out here
listen,
any
hold on,
longer than
hold
I
on.
do.
don't be a smartass. Are you here by yourself, or do you have someone else staying up in the room with you?
Who's here with you?
There's someone here with you?
Are you deaf? Who's here
Yes.
with you?
Yes.
Who?
Shut up!
Who is here with
I
you?
have no fucking idea.
Hey.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Joseph.
Joseph.
Joseph, look at me. Hey,
Hey.
Joseph.
I don't need to tell you guys shit. So go fuck yourselves. You guys are gonna tell me?
Stand up. Put your hands behind your back. Stand up. Put your hands behind your back. Now it's disorderly conduct. How about that?
Yeah, it's really intense.
Drunk and disorderly. That's fine by me. See, this could have been a lot easier if you had just told us where you were staying at, who you were staying with, but nah.
I'm not staying with anybody.
It should be unlocked now. Oh, here, hold on. Let me grab that stuff out of the way. The hospital wouldn't take it.
Really?
Yeah.
Go ahead, have a seat.
Here, have a seat, man. Here, hold on.
Step up.
Oh, shocker. Here, have a seat.
Go ahead. Step up, have a seat. There you go. All the way in.
Go. Put your feet up there.
There you go. Watch yourself. And that's easy enough. Now, if we get someone here and they want to pack them up, take them somewhere else, fine. If not, we can't leave here.
Yeah.
And especially with that, once he started going,
Yeah, dude, he was fucking
I had him kind of calm down. And
berating
then,
that 10-year-old kid, bro.
about what?
Calling him, like, asshole and fat and shit.
Yeah, he looks great.
Maybe I can get him for
Drunk and disorderly?
I get a statement from him. 10-year-old kid.
The parents? Still can.
Yes. I got the phone number. Joseph,
Yes.
listen. Your behavior here on out depends. All right?
You're crazy.
What's crazy?
Right.
You sitting there yelling and arguing with me.
Well, of course, my hands are tied.
They weren't before.
Yeah,
I'm
no.
trying to get certain information from you. Who's staying with you?
What do you want to hear?
Who's in the room with you?
What
Because
room?
you're no longer a guest. You're no longer a guest. Who's in the hotel room with you? Because you're no longer a guest here.
What do you want to hear?
Because you're no longer a guest here. So everybody in that room now has to leave because of you. So how are you going to leave? Because, listen.
Can I get out?
No, you can't.
Can I walk? Like a
You're going to hang tight.
perfectly normal.
You're going to hang tight. Listen, if you stay calm, right, and act like an adult, if you stay calm, act like an adult, you might not go to jail. Do you understand me? Do you understand? Otherwise, I'm taking you to gun club, and I don't care. You understand? No more yelling, no more screaming, no more acting like a prick. You're gonna sit in this car until we're done. Otherwise, you're gonna go to jail. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes or no? Yes or no? Say it. Yes or no?
Yes!
See,
What the fuck?
We're already starting. See, already off to a bad foot. Already off to a bad foot.
Whoa! Stop, Ace!
Hi.
Oh my god.
Is that your in your own words what happened today?
So I got a call from Justin, the manager up front. I heard yelling in the background, so I assumed he was trying to get me to come to the front. I came to the front, and then I saw him with the guy.
And the guy is him right there.
Yes, the one that you have in your
Foot.
car.
Okay.
And they were going back and forth. Mostly the manager, Justin, was trying to get him to leave and go outside.
Because what was he doing?
He was just drunk and being loud, and he couldn't get any information from him. We didn't even know if he was a guest yet or not.
Why do you think he was drunk? Was he?
His words were slurred. He couldn't stand up straight, and he was just talking nonsense all around.
Okay.
And we couldn't get any correct answers or anything out of him. So Justin was trying to get him to leave by telling him, "Hey, can you just go outside? Let's just go outside." So I'm going to ask you to leave. And then he was just bad mouthing or going off on Justin, cussing him out, talking about "fuck you, who do you think you are? Why do I gotta go outside?" Da, da, da. Like, he'll have moments when he's calm, and then he'll go back and escalate, and then he started yelling. Yeah, and so I had got involved, and as I was calling the police, the bellman came around and tried to get him to go outside by telling him, "Come on, let's go outside, let's go outside." He just did the same thing to the bellman. One moment he's calm, "Oh, I'm not doing anything," and da 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 da. And then next he's, "Fuck you, who do you think you are?" all over again. So then after I got off the phone with the cops, I went around and we tried to get him to go. So he did kind of move towards the front door, and then he stopped because once again he seems very intoxicated, and he's like stumbling, and so he stumbled towards a family. Luckily the family and the kid got out of the way, but then the kid was like still in his eye view, so he was kind of just looking at the kid like "What's wrong with you?" or whatever, just kind of going at the kid a little bit. And then we got him to just continue walking and go into the front door. So then we got him to sit on the side here in the bench, and he kind of just kept going at it. Like, one moment he's calm, then the next he's cussing you out.
Okay. And then we got here.
And then you got here as soon as he finally sat down to try and calm down, I guess.
All right. And I'm just gonna ask one more time. This gentleman you guys had the interaction with, who was causing all these disturbances, and his behavior, did it disrupt business? Did it interrupt guests?
Yes.
It did all that.
He was holding up the line. Guests were trying to get service. They couldn't get service. And then when they did try to go around him, he would try to "Oh, why are you going at them as well?" So we had to just get him out. We had one of them gone.
Okay. And that's the gentleman who did all that.
Yep.
The gentleman we're looking at right now in the back of my police car.
Yep.
Okay. Is there anything I didn't ask that you would like to add in the statement?
No.
Has the statement been on your own free will? Did I coerce you in any way to give me a statement? No. Has everything you told me been the truth?
Yes.
Okay. The time is 1:25 in the afternoon. This will conclude the interview. All right. Appreciate it.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
You're not getting all the way out. Just sit where you are.
No, I want to be out.
Well, you're not getting out.
I want to be out.
I know what you
I
want.
love it.
What's the complaint,
We're just gonna check
Said he
his,
can't breathe.
Sat.
You can't breathe?
What is your medical complaint? Why did you want us to come?
Joseph, answer the question.
Why do you need paramedics?
Well,
What are we checking? Sit down.
No, listen.
Sit.
Listen to me. Listen
Sit.
to me.
I said sit.
Down.
Listen.
Sit. Or I'm gonna put
Listen
you-
to me. God damn it. Why do you have to do this shit to me? Why do you have to do that?
Nope.
Why do you have to do that?
You said you can't breathe.
Why do you have to do that?
I think he can breathe.
Okay.
Unless you want to double cuff it.
Do that.
He might not be
What?
flexible.
Yeah.
He's
Am
gonna.
I a danger
He's gonna.
You gotta stay in
to the
handcuffs, man.
public? Can you undo these?
You gotta stay in handcuffs, man.
Why?
Well, you're under.
I'm not a felon.
Well, you are under arrest, though.
Yeah, but I'm not a felon, dude.
Right, but if you're under arrest, you
I'm
gotta,
not a.
you gotta wear handcuffs.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
I'm not a felon, though. I'm not like, you know. I'm not a danger to society.
Well, he's gonna take you back out to the county, get you processed there, and you'll be good to go. And
What?
you know,
Why?
live for a better
Process
day.
for what?
You're under
What
arrest.
did I do?
You're under arrest.
Yeah, but what did I do?
Put your hand behind your back.
I don't know. Like I said, I'm not here for that.
You don't know.
I'm here for the little knot on your forehead.
Okay.
You remember going out to the county jail? Where you came from right before you were here?
No.
No? What was the last thing that you remember?
What do you mean? Like county jail before I came?
Yes. This officer drove you out to the county jail, walked you inside. Do you remember that? And then
This is so tight.
they told you you had to go get medically cleared?
Yeah, I remember that part.
Okay. Do you remember walking into the holding cell there, that area, by yourself?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Okay. You don't remember anything else about
I remember getting medically cleared,
Okay.
which, you know.
But prior to that, I'm trying to figure
Why?
out.
What?
I want to know
what's
how you
your
got that.
point?
I want to know how you got that knot on your forehead.
Oh, I don't even know.
You remember banging into a
Honestly,
door or anything?
I'll tell you
or-
right now.
Okay.
I don't even know how the fuck I. If you're saying I have a knot on my forehead, I agree with you.
Okay.
Because I don't fucking know. Because I don't.
Okay.
What,
Why? Dude, you'll be out of jail in like.
You're a fucking human being, aren't you?
Bro, you'll be out of jail in like 12 hours, man.
Fucking matter about jail.
You act like this is the end of the world, man. Relax.
Me about jail? You think this shit's about jail?
What are you so broken up about?
You think this shit's about fucking jail, huh? Have you ever been in jail?
56 near Valley Side.
Okay, have you been to jail?
Yeah.
Okay, then what's the issue?
Found a white female with her dog lost and is sitting on the roof.
Not about jail.
Okay, then what's it about? What's it about?
Listen.
What's it about? Tell me.
the issue is
Elaborate.
not about jail.
What is it then?
Well, you
Enlighten me.
have
Enlighten me.
Do you have a family?
I'm not gonna tell you anything. What is it? Enlighten me. What are you so broken up about? Enlighten me. Enlighten me. Come on.
Don't fucking be such a fucking bitch. Oh, you know.
What do you? What is it about jail? Come on,
Who
tell
are
me.
you? Who are you?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come
Who are
on.
you?
What do you gotta say? Come on. Let me know, bro.
Who are you, man? You're just a
I'm the guy taking you to jail. Simple as that.
Who are you? You're nothing.
Listen.
You pretend like you're something.
Listen.
So fuck you.
Can you be quiet? Complete silence. I'd appreciate that. Can we do that? You don't talk to me, I won't talk to you. Let's do that.
He was charged with disorderly intoxication, which was null prossed by the prosecutor.